comfort food. First things first is to add the butter. 4 tablespoons, unsalted. Gonna let that melt. Next, we stick in 1/4 of a cup of flour and make a roux. And we whisk away. Let's add a couple tablespoons of wine. A few tablespoons from the juice of your canned or fresh oysters. Lastly, a Mirepoix. I have here onion, celery, and carrot. If you would prefer the Cajun Trinity, take out the carrot and add green pepper. Stir that in. A little bit more of the juice. A little bit more of the wine. Stir the roux in there. There we go. Let that come to a sizzle again. 1/2 cup, 1/2 and 1/2. One and 1/2 cups milk for a total of 2 cups. Got it. Now turn down to a low heat and slowly start adding your 1/2 and 1/2 cream milk mixture. Just keep slowly whisking it in over a low heat. Keep it right below a simmer. You do not want it to boil or you will char the milk and it'll taste burnt, won't taste quite as good. I keep that on that low heat for about 15 minutes. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt, about 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and a small dash of hot sauce. Dash, 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 dash. Okay. Now, after the very low heat for 10 or 15 minutes on the stove, we're going to add the oysters in. Give those a good stir. We're going to do this on a low heat for another 5 to 10 minutes until those oysters start to curdle just a little bit on the outside. We plate your ladle right over the bowl because we don't want any splashes. All right, look at that. I'm going to garnish with a dash of paprika. And some parsley. Add crackers as you wish. And of course, taste it. Make sure I get a little bit of oyster in there too. My favorite part. Mm. Oh my God, so good. Put this in an airtight container, and it'll last 3 days.